Hello guys, welcome back to Amenny Property TV channel. In today's episode, we'll be tackling one of the most important aspects of leadership, motivations. A motivated team is a productive team, and in real estate, keeping your agent inspired is key to success. This episode is all about how to motivate your real estate team.
First, set clear, achievable goals. Your team needs a shared vision to work towards. When everyone knows what the objectives are, it creates a sense of purpose and directions. Make sure these goals are challenging but attainable, and regularly check in to track progress. Next, recognize and reward hard work. A simple thank you or public recognition goes a long way in boosting morale. You can also implement performance-based rewards like bonuses or team outing to show appreciation for your team efforts.
Finally, provide opportunity for growth, offering training, mentorship, and skill development. Show your team that you invested in their success. When agents feel like they learning and advancing in their career, they will be more engaged and motivated.
In conclusion, motivating your real estate team comes down to setting clear goals, recognizing hard work, and offering opportunity for growth. A motivated team will not only perform better, but will also be more loyal and committed to your business.
Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leadership and real estate. And feel free to share your own motivational strategies in the comment below. Until next time, keep inspiring your team to achieve greatness.